This is what I started with. This is what I finished with. I'm going to show you how to do it.
Okay.
So, see these little tabs in here? Pretty sure this is the hardest part of this whole job. Once you get started, it's not bad. Trying to get started sucks. Figured out the other one, kind of got to go around, kind of break the seal around the edge of this thing before you can actually get them all to pop at the same time. But once you start getting it, it starts to go okay. There's a little rubber seal in there. It's hard to see, but there is. That thing's old. Part. Now, I'm going to start with the ultra cut compound. That's going to take the worst of the oxidation off. Put it on low while I put this stuff on there, otherwise it shoots everywhere. And use the lane to block it, kind of smush it in the pad. And then slowly start speeding it up. And then just work it, starting the edges. That's what I get for looking up. So already a hell of a lot better.
Oh, wow.
That's just the first step. We got another polishing step to do still. We want to wipe all that off first. Now we're going to switch to the ultra finishing polish.
Nice.
It's like brand new again. We do all the same things to the base, just to get some of that oxidation out of it. Doesn't polish as nice, but it gets all the crap out of the pores of the plastic. So
Put it next to that one, to the one we already polished, so you can see how dry, how nice and shiny it's going to be afterwards.
1.1 million miles of sun and everything else under the sky. Sat in Phoenix for a year and a half, not moving in the sun. Back to the ultra cut compound.
Back to
The ultra cut.
ultra cut. Okay.
tell you to put my fingers anywhere. If the thing does get ripped out of my hand, it doesn't take my finger with it. So putting it in that hole might be a bad idea. Again, you don't push hard. You hit the buffer, do its job, let the compound do what it's supposed to do. Sounds like I'm pushing hard, but it's just more surface area grabbing the buffer pad, so it slows it down so much. Got a pretty good grip on it. It's not tugging that hard. You kind of let the buffer bring it around. I don't even have to spin it. It's kind of spinning on its own. Just gonna clean all the compound off of it.
Wow, very nice.
Actually looks better than the other one right now.
Yeah.
But it's because it's still a little damp. It'll actually gray up a little bit because the plastic is so old and it's so weathered. But if you get a good plastic product, like someone's recommending to me Aerospace 303, they're saying that stuff's just amazing. So I'm going to give it a shot and see what it does, but I got to order some. So I'll update later with that. That's it. I mean, all you got to do is snap it back in. Put your bowl back in it. There you go.
Nice.
Brand new lens. And I have new LED bulbs. And I was going to replace these with brand new LED lights at 50 or 60 bucks for the set. I'm getting 2 LED bulbs to put in there that only cost me 15 a piece, or for the set rather. So for a couple minutes of buffing, I got the original lenses, and I'm going to upgrade to LED lights. And that's it. That's all the tools right there.